In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete browsing history in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to clear only what you want without removing anything important by accident. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is up, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots to open the menu. This menu is where Edge keeps most of its tools and preferences. From here, choose Settings. That will open a new tab with all your browser settings in one place. On the left side, select Privacy, Search, and Services. This area controls what Edge keeps about your activity and what it can clear. Scroll a bit if needed until you see the section labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click the button that says Choose what to clear. A panel will appear with options that let you control both the time range and the types of data to remove. At the top of that panel, open the Time Range drop-down. Pick the period that fits your goal. Last hour is great for quick cleanups after a specific session. Last 24 hours covers an entire day of activity. All time removes everything, which is useful if you want a truly fresh start. Remember, clearing is permanent, so choose the time range that matches what you intend to erase. Next, make sure browsing history is checked. This removes the list of sites you visited within the selected time frame. If you want a more thorough cleanup, you can also select other items here. Cookies and other site data can fix sign-in or loading issues, but clearing them may sign you out of websites. Cached images and files free up storage and can resolve display problems, though pages might load a bit slower the first time you visit them again. Download history clears the list of downloaded files, but does not delete the files themselves from your computer. When your selections look right, click Clear Now. Edge will process your request for a few moments. When it finishes, your history for the chosen time range will be removed. If a site still seems stuck, or you're troubleshooting a problem, try including cookies and cache next time, but only if you're comfortable signing back in to your sites afterward. That's all there is to it. You've just cleared your browsing history in Microsoft Edge quickly and safely. If you ever need to revisit these settings, repeat the same steps and adjust the time range or data types to match what you need. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.